Good morning. I'm Dan Graham. I'm the developer of ETM, Event and Task Manager. This is Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020. This is the first of a series of short videos to introduce new users to ETM. And the subject of today's short video is creating a new reminder. You're looking at an new installation of ETM. There are no reminders have been recorded yet. This is how it would appear if you get it and install it and start it up. Let me just mention about the display. In the lower left hand corner you see the current time and date. In the right hand lower corner you see the current view, which is agenda. At the top we have the menu bar with the various items, and our interest today is to create a new item, and you can see that we can do that by selecting this from the menu bar or just by pressing the shortcut, which is an uppercase N. This is how the editor opens. There are two panels. In the top you get a prompt and feedback from ETM about what you should be entering or how it is interpreting what you have entered. And in the bottom is the actual entry area. So ETM avoids forms and lets you just enter things free flow using a format that is pretty transparent, and I'll describe more detail. So the first thing we need to do is select the type of reminder or item we want. The options are events, tasks, journal entries, or inbox items. Let's begin by creating a task. The item type character for a task is a minus sign, so we begin by entering the minus sign, and the prompt then changes to reminding us to enter a summary, a brief item description. So let's say pick up milk. Oops. That's all there is to it. Now I can press Control S to save the item. It's undated, so it's not going to appear in the agenda view, but I can go to do next view. This is do next view is for unscheduled tasks, and you can see our entry here. And I'll show you another little trick while we're here. I can select the item and press uppercase E to open it for editing. And a convenient thing to add for undated, unscheduled task is a location entry. So I hit the @ key, and you can see I'm prompted for the various alternatives that exist. And scrolling down the list, there's the one I want, location, @L. Location could equally be regarded as context. So in this case, the location I want to use is errands. And any task, so let me save that, and I'll show you how the display changed. So now this is listed under errands. So if I have several errands and I'm out in the car running around and I just want to look at what's listed for errands, I can see the various things that I could be thinking about doing right now. Now let me switch back to agenda view, and let's create another reminder. Press Shift N to open the new item, new reminder, and let's do an event this time. So let's say asterisk, the type character for events. The description is dinner with Ed and Carol. And when does this occur? The start time is what I'm interested in entering now. So Starting time is Friday, and notice that it interprets Friday to mean this coming Friday. The next one is currently Wednesday, September the 2nd, and the time 7 p.m. and it automatically is going to use Eastern Daylight Time, my time zone. And I want to add another characterization for this, or another option for this, which is extent, which is how long the event is going to last. So that's at E, and 3 hours is the extent. Again, I press Control S to save and close the editor, and you see this now appears as an event scheduled for Friday. Now if I go to Busy View by pressing B, you can see that that period of time on Friday evening is indicated as being busy by the presence of these hash marks. You can also see from the 180-minute total at the bottom that the event required 180 minutes, or 3 hours. Busy View and Agenda View are kept in synchronization, so that whatever period, whatever week you're looking at, when you switch to Busy View, you see exactly the same week. There's one other view in this sequence, that is the C of the ABC views, completed view, that's also kept in sync. Of course, no tasks have been completed yet, so nothing shows up here. In all of these views, the left and right cursor keys go back and forth between weeks, and the space view, spacebar, returns to the current week. Well, that is all for this short introduction. Thank you for watching.